Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are looking at stem and leaf plot. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand a stem and leaf plot, and you should be able to create a stem and leaf plot. What is a stem and leaf plot? A stem and leaf plot is a way of organizing numbers using tables. It helps you to see the distribution of data and find the mode, median, and sometimes the range. Key parts of stem and leaf plot. We have the stem, which is the leading digits of each number, and the leaf, which is the last digit of each number. For example, Kweku scored the following marks in an exams: 45, 47, 46, 53, 52, 58, 54, 41, and 42. Draw a stem and leaf plot for his performance. The solution. You have to organize the data from the smallest to the largest. Rearranging it will give you 41 as the first number and 58 as the last number. You identify the stems and the leaves. The stem is the leading number. Here 4 is the stem and 1 is the leaf. Drawing the stem and leaf plot. After we've arranged our data from the smallest to the highest, now look at the first numbers of the digit. You see that we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. We write 4 to represent all of them. And the next set of numbers, we have 5, 5, 5, and 5. And so we write 5 here to represent all of them. Now identifying the leaves. For 41, 4 is the stem and 1 is the leaf. 42, 4 is the stem and 2 is the leaf. 45, 4 is the stem and 5 is the leaf. 46, 4 is the stem and 6 is the leaf. 47, 4 is the stem and 7 is the leaf. For 52, I have 5 as the stem, 2 as the leaf, 3 as another leaf, 4 as another leaf, and finally 8 as another leaf. So our solution to the problem will be in this form: 4 as a stem, so the stem is 1 for all the numbers in the 40 columns, and 5 is the stem for all the numbers in the 50 column. An example with 3-digit numbers. Kofi measured the heights of some trees in his garden and recorded the following marks: 123, 127, 131, 134, 145, 148, 152, 158. Draw a stem and leaf plot for the diagram. Solution. Arrange the numbers in order if it has not been arranged already. This data given has been arranged in order, so we don't need to rearrange them in order again. 2. Identify the stems and the leaves. In this case, The stem is the first two digits. For 123, 1, 2 is the stem, and the leaf is the last digit, which is the 3 here. Now, our stem here will be 12. Our leaves will be 3 and 7. Our next stem will be 13, and our leaf will be 4. Our leaf will be 1, 4, and that's it. Our next stem is 14. 14, our leaf will be 5 and 8. Next stem is 15. Our stem will be 2 and 8. So this is our stem and leaf plot for the data. Make sure the spaces between the numbers under the leaves will be enough so that it will not be seen as 37, but rather 3 and 7. Exercise. Now you take your time and practice this exercise.